Hello, good morning. So, you see, today we have topic chosen uh, many and much. So, many and much, we know that they are very easy to understand, and the quantifiers we often read right. But the fact is that we do not know much information about it. So, let us first understand why we face somewhat difficulties in approaching these two quantifiers. Let us first go to its characteristics. First of all, many expresses plurality, meaning thereby a single you can use it with a single noun. Number one. Number two is that it does not express volume. It can only express the plurality of the subject. Clear class? Second, much. It is almost similar with the term, but the fact is that it is uncountable. It also does not express the volume. That is why whenever it is used, very few people know it. That it is always in the negative sentences or interrogative sentences. Right? Why? Because it has no, it doesn't express the volume. And in the grammar books also, it never mentions. So you see, whenever we try or we have set in our mind to express a volume, so ultimately we use rather a lots of, a great number of, a large number of, for many, and for much, a large number amount, sorry, a large amount, a great amount, a great deal of. So these are the expressive volumes that we use. But this also has some contradiction, that is, it never expresses the exact volume. It can only expresses a volume. That's all. These are the characteristics of many and much. Now come to its use. The fact that it is always used in the negative sentences. That's why we should remember that not many and not much. You see, if you remember this, many is a quantified, no doubt. We have read right from the standard one. Okay, it's all right. But whenever you use, you should set in your mind that it is not many, not much. Why? Because it is always used in the negative and interrogative sentences. Understand? Okay. Now you come. Whenever you see, we can also know from the examples. You see, there are many students in the class. What is the semantic meaning of this? You see, every word has a structural and semantic meaning. So whenever we say there are many students in the class, we mean that there are more than one student in the class. Why? Because it doesn't express the volume. But when you say there are a lot of students in the class, it creates a volume in your counterpart's mind. And that is most important. If you would like to say without expressing a volume, or would like to say expressing a volume, that can be clearly distinguished through this, through the use of your quantifiers. Clear class? Now you can come down. There are, as such, every law has its own exceptions. No doubt, most of the cases it is used in the negative and interrogative terms, but still there are some positive assertions. Or say we can use many for assertive sentences. They are so many, as many as, and too many. Understand? You see, we can uh, set that from the examples. You see, suppose as many as is a comparative term, you know. So you see, I take photographs as many as I used to, and so many. Why so many means it is it creates ultimately a volume. So many when we say, you see, I have called you so many times, meaning thereby it creates a volume of amount, right? So I have called you so many times, but it was in vain. You did not respond me. You see, this is also a positive or say assertive use. Again, too many. You see, too is used in the negatives. You know it. The tea is too hot to drink, meaning thereby the tea is so hot that I cannot drink it. You see, there are grammar books, there are also teachers who says that the tea is so hot that it cannot be drunk. Okay, but the subject is I here. So both are correct, but appropriate is that if the tea is so hot that I cannot drink it. Anyway, the two is used in a negative term. But whenever it entangles with many, many is also used as negative. So mathematical calculation, you can use both negatives provides a positive sense. So too many, you see, too many mistakes. You made too many mistakes or too many mistakes are done uh, in English grammar, or students do too many mistakes while they do this exercise. So you see, these are three exceptional terms that are used for assertive sentences, right? But positively. You see, now you shall go for some exercises, right? So I have again briefing it. Many expresses plurality, much is an uncountable, and the ingredient is that many doesn't express a volume and much also doesn't express a volume. Suppose we want to express a volume, we use a lot of, lots of, a large number of, a great deal of. You see, many refers to a number and much refers to an amount. You can enjoin there, right? And most important is that while or whenever you use many or much, they are almost used in the negative or interrogative sentences. Understand? So now you come down to the exercise part. So you see, so we have taken down some questions, right? So the question is that use many, much, a lot of, lots of, wherever it is required, right? So we have taken some six questions, six very important questions. I will also explore the doubts and confusions in them. So let us first go to the first one. I cannot come with you. I have got day's work to do. Right? Mark it, what I have told you, that many, much is a negative use, has a negative use, and a lot of, lots of, they are assertive use, meaning thereby, you see, whenever we want to express a volume without its exact number or amount, ध्यान दो, we use a lot of or lots of in assertive sentences. You see, I cannot come with you, हो गया ये कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. दूसरा वाला देखो, आई हैव गॉट डैश वर्क टू डू. यू सी, वर्क इज अनकाउंटेबल, जॉब इज काउंटेबल. ध्यान दो, तो वर्क इज अनकाउंटेबल, सो व्हाट शुड यू यूज? a lot of, lots of. If in Indian context lots of is used for plural countable, sorry, uncountable, and a lot of is used for plural countable, right? So what you will do here, I have got a lot of work to do. ध्यान दो, देखो इसमें भी कंफ्यूजन आ जाता है. Normally, lots of, whenever you begin a volume expression in a sentence, you start lots of people have attended the meeting, meaning thereby your emphasis on a lot of is more than the sentence, than the subject itself. There you can use lots of, but in the mid, lots of is very less used. So you see, you now this is work is uncountable and you have taken a lot of. Come on, next. He has not got dash many money, so he cannot buy the house. You see, money is again uncountable, right? You see, rupee is countable, money is uncountable. You have to remember that, right? Most of the cases we have in English this kind of confusions. You see, work is uncountable whereas job is countable. Money is uncountable whereas rupee is countable, right? So if you go through and through with your grammar, not only the classes taught you, but you will have to work hard for your own watching or say viewing or say reading many standard grammar books. You can only know them, right? Most of the grammar books do not express threadbare of the terms, but if you find a good teacher, he will definitely make you understand. So you see, come on, he has not got dash money, so he cannot buy the new house. Now has not got, देखो नेगेटिव आ गया ना, तो यहां आपको क्लू मिल गया. तो देखो मेनी और मच, ये दोनों में कोई भी आ सकता है. मेनी तो आएगा नहीं, ये वाला तो, ये वाला ये जो क्वांटिफायर आता है, ये वाला तो क्या है, ये तो काउंटेबल है, अनकाउंटेबल है ना, तो मेनी आएगा नहीं, तो मच ही आएगा. तो मच, देखो कि बहुत बहुत इजी है, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाने से हो जाएगा, बाय हार्ट करने से होगा नहीं, राइट? We only have 10 to 15 sentences and we go by heart them. There we find trouble. If you just know the concept, foundation clear, fundamental clarity is necessary, right? So he is a very quiet person, right? He is a very quiet person. He does not say, again, does not say. You see, it does not say कथा कहवाटा not countable, language is not countable, तो क्या हुआ, much. Right? Next come, the car is very old. You see, there are some technical confusions. The car is very old. It uses dash petrol. Right? So, whenever this version is told by a person, the car is very old, meaning thereby कोई भी बोल सकता है पेट्रोल ज़्यादा खर्चा आता है. तो देखो ये वॉल्यूम के बारे में बोलते हैं, ये वॉल्यूम के बारे में बोलते हैं. ये वॉल्यूम के बारे में क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि देखो मैंने बोला ना, सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट व्हेनेवर यू एक्सप्रेस ए वॉल्यूम, you cannot use many or much except in the negative ones, right? So whenever you come for something to say something volume which is not in exact number or amount, you ultimately come to a lot of or lots of, a great deal of, a large number of, a great amount of. There are many quantifiers you can use. You see, so the car is very old. It uses a lot of or much, right? There is a confusion, a lot of or much, right? So it uses much petrol, you can say, but it is not negative. So it uses a lot of. You want to express a volume. You can also write it uses lots of petrol. You can also write. There is nothing wrong in it, but it uses a lot of petrol, right? So if you come, my father drinks dash water. Hyphen, there is a hyphen here, 10 liters a day, meaning thereby, you see, exact amount. That is given exact amount. You see, my father drinks a lot of water. हो सकता है क्या? देखो यहाँ तो नहीं है ना, नेगेटिव नहीं है, फिर भी हो सकता है। लेकिन देखो, a lot of lots of, it is not used for a measurement of time. So you see, it drinks a lot of water, 10 liters a day. Volume तो expression अभी ए नचेत lots of water भी लिखता है, lots of water, 10 liters a day. Exact amount is here, it is given. Next, the players have not won, you know it, negative. Oh, so medals is countable or uncountable? It is countable. So have not won many medals. 2 days students fail in English every year. This is a bare fact. This is a bare fact. Exactly, this is happening every year. Most of the students, almost 55 to 60% of the students every year fail in English only. So here the student too many, meaning there are a large number of, right? So too many. Why we have written here many? Because students is plural countable. That's why too many students fail in English every year. Okay, let us end here. But in my next class, I'll again narrate which has relationship with many, much, lot of, lots of, a lot of, lots of, right? So there are other quantifiers like a few, the few, right? A little, the little, and a few, little. These are the 6 quantifiers I'll narrate in my last class. But you see, I'm just giving you a very short briefing here. You see, not many, a few. This is negative meaning, this is positive meaning, but the meaning is same. Semantically, somewhat it is different. We will discuss tomorrow. Then much. Not much, negative, a little, positive, right? This is negative, again this is positive. There is very less difference or no difference in grammar, but semantically it has some difference. We will discuss in the next class. Then few, little. Few means hardly any. These are only the techniques. Hardly any, right? This is also negative use. This is also negative use. Hardly any. So we will discuss in our next class and in detail. So many negative में use होता है, not many. And if you want to give a positive version, positive mind, you can use a few. We will discuss tomorrow, right? And next, hardly any. Few is totally negative, right? That is when there is no degree or there is no article, so it refers to a negative meaning, right? There is little water in the pot, right? Meaning that way there is hardly any water in the pot, but water is there, water is existent. So I have little money in my purse, meaning that way I have money, but it is not as sufficient as for any purchase. This is the meaning that we can make out. So anyway, we will discuss that tomorrow or say in my next video. Thank you.